కాదు నాన్న, సంఖ్లో పెట్టు. ఇక్కడ పైన
తగ్గిపోయింది థ్యాంక్ యూ తగ్గిపోయింది నాకు.
It's not an ideal GST, but certainly this GST is going to be much better than the existing taxes. Taxes are saying that the rate will be higher than 10%. My feeling is that the rate would be around 21%, and if that is the case, that will be lower on most product than what you have today, and it is going to be a world class tax system. So of course there are improvements which are possible, which are warranted, but it will take time. So I will live with this GST at least to start with.
పగిలిపోయింది. రండి, మధ్యాహ్నం ఆడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడో తెలుసా? ఇంతేనా స్టాప్?